off of coldzera, who's just going to get to the site. He'll get a safe plant, won't be, nearly was exposed. But where does he anticipate that automatic's gone? He's checking every angle. Oh, he's going to see him. He gets up, but nearly gets the shot down to 23. Denny Bullet wins. As coldzera with that bomb planted, he just needs to bait this out. He doesn't have to readdress this. He's at 7, and automatic through the wall is going to get it. TSM will get another pistol, and they've got a chance to take control of this second half.
After so many poor decisions there, after having a huge advantage against coldzera, he gets the bomb down, and 2